Hello guys, once again welcome to my channel, and this time I'm here for doing a extensive review on couple of products, few new toys that I got for myself. So before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe it, as there will be many such informative videos coming its way which will be very useful for the riders. I did a lot of research before zeroing down on these products, and the reason I selected these products, keeping in mind uh, two basic criterias. One is definitely safety, and second is ease of use. I want to make sure that I protect myself from any unforeseen circumstances, right? And like accidents, and God forbid, even if such things happens, our life should be saved. And the true lifesavers are you going by the right gear. I ride extensively in night as well. It has been proved that the kind of accidents that happens in night, it is considerably, the count is very high as compared to other countries, especially in India, right? It is because of the lack of visibility. Many of us would be wearing helmet which has reflective stickers, right? And behind our bikes, we will be having reflector stickers as well. But is that enough? I don't think so. For a truck driver who has been driving all day long, for him, there are chances that he takes off his eyes from the road, right? So in such circumstances, we should make ourselves very visible on the roads and have that kind of road presence which should be visible to everybody. So you might have got it by now. I am going to review a riding gear from Rhinox. This is the latest launch from Rhinox, and it's called Evo Storm Nortex. And Nortex is a technology wherein the shade that they give on jacket that illuminates in the night. Let me quickly unbox that product for you. I got this from Riders Junction, and I had a extensive discussion with the expert there, and went by his suggestions about the size. My shirt size is 42, so the upper gear, which is the jacket, for me XL was sufficient, and for the riding pants we should always go a size higher, right? So my waist size is 38, and based on that I have taken double XL. I had a very pleasant experience with Rider Junction, and the shipment was also very fast enough. So they sent out the courier, and I received the courier within 2 days of time, and they shipped it via FedEx. This is the apparel cover that we have. So it itself is well ventilated, so that even if you are coming after a sweaty ride, right? In normal jacket covers, we get out of the jacket and put it inside the jacket cover. That time, if it's completely closed, then that that the smell from the sweat and that will stay if it's a closed apparel cover. In this case, it is well ventilated. As you can see, it is mesh all over, and the air will definitely pass through it, and will make sure that there are no strange odors coming out of this. So I have got both the riding jacket. This is the riding jacket. It is very well ventilated from Rhinox, which is a reflective sticker here. These meshes make sure that you stay ventilated during the rides. And this part, right, this whole part, this illuminates in the night time. So instead of this black shade, it will turn out to be a reflective sticker, which you see along the zipper, on either sides, here on the arms. So I'll also attach the R&D video from Rhinox along with this, so that you get a clear idea of how they have manufactured this product.
The Nortex fabric is a laminate of microscopic retro reflectors over an abrasion-resistant 600D polyester shell. It looks dark gray during the day, but when light hits the surface of Noctex after dark, it is retro-reflected back to the source. This instantly lights up your entire silhouette, making you highly visible only to the drivers of the vehicles coming towards you from the front, back, or side. If you must ride after dark, with Noctex, our aim is to ensure your safety by making sure you are seen and noticed by oncoming traffic. After all, the best way to avoid an accident is to not get into one at all.
Instead of the normal zipper, they have, for the ease of use, they have a buttoned up buckle as well. Here you can find the microphone holder. So this is how the jacket looks. I'll wear it and I'll show it. As level 2 protectors on your forearms, on your shoulders, on your chest, both the sides, on back, all level 2 protectors. And level 2 protectors are sourced from Knox. Knox is the leading provider for supplying the armor protectors. You have a well reflective sticker on your sides. Here you have two straps which you can fasten and make sure that your jacket hugs closely to your skin. You have an adjustment sticker here as well. On the flip side of it, this is reflective. This part will stay reflective. All these are Noctex. You have the Rhinox logo here with reflective beading. So in the Storm Evo series, is the same as Storm Evo series. The only major difference is this comes with Noctex lining. So here itself you can see, right? This portion will be illuminated and you will be well lit during your night rides. So that's about the jacket. Now they have an attachment zipper as well here, which where you can attach the riding pants, and we have the riding pants here. Let me detach it for you guys so that you can get a closer look. And here you have the zipper, then you can detach the pants. Again, this comes with the hip protectors, again from Knox. You have the knee protectors here, knee pads, again from Knox. So this makes sure that you are well guarded in case of any falls. And the entire material is mesh, so that it's positive that when we are riding there's plenty of air circulation. We have a strap here for adjustment, and we also have the press buttons here and the quality zipper. It also comes with the thermal liner and the waterproof liner as well, the pants. But along with the jacket you won't be getting the thermal liner and the waterproof liner. I got it separately, and you can actually wear it on top of your jacket, kind of a hoodie. Now I will come to the next one. So as you can see, these are boots from Tarmac. The series is called Tarmac Adventure Pro series, and again I got this from Rider Junction, as I had a very good experience during my riding gear purchase. I decided to go with them for my boots as well. Pretty sturdy. You have the gear shifter part here, well protected sole. You have a reflector here, and there you go, it is waterproof. Quality plastic buckles here. Yes. You can get this opened up like this, we have a Velcro. Again, in boots as well, we have to go with a size higher. If your size is 9, UK 9, then you have to go with the size 10. So that was a quick demo of Rhinox Wo Noctex jacket and riding pants, and the Tarmac Adventure Pro riding shoes. That's it, and we'll be coming up with more such kind of unboxings as and when I go for the gadgets. So until then, goodbye. Thank you all for watching.